In this video, I will show you how to install IMDb application to your Android TV. If you find this short video interesting, like and subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. So if you're on Android TV and you want to install IMDb application, but unfortunately for you, there is no Google Play or App Store, then here's what you can do. I'm going to come over to Downloader, and in Downloader, you can be able to install the application. Now, Downloader is not a Google Play Store, it's just an intermediary application that helps you sort out files, APKs from across the internet and install them to your Android TV. So you come over to IMDb application here and search. If you come over to download and search for IMDb application, you're going to come over here and click on go. So if you don't have download on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there to get downloaded to your Android TV. After installing downloader, launch it, type in a keyword and click on go. Once you click on go, downloader is going to show you the various sources on the internet to install IMDb application to your Android TV. And as you can see on my screen here, you have various options. So you can scroll through them to see the right option for you. I think since this is an Android TV, this option is going to work just well. So once you click on that option, you're going to see the install button down here. So this is how to install. This is one of the ways to install IMDb application to your Android TV. You can use downloader to look for that ways by just searching IMDb install, IMDb APK, searching any keyword that's going to lead you to install the application to your Android TV. So you come over here and click on install. The application is going to be installed to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.